That'll teach her. Maybe. Go play, Klaus. He said, "No, I'm just gonna lay down."